Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto under 18. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency as a miner requires understanding specific rules and limitations. Most major exchanges have strict age requirements, typically 18 years or older. However, there are still ways for younger individuals to learn about and even participate in the crypto space, often with parental guidance. We'll explore these options and best practices for getting started safely. Understanding the legal age for crypto is crucial. Most centralized exchanges, like Coinbase or Binance, enforce an 18-year-old minimum for account creation. This is due to Know Your Customer, or KIC, regulations. However, some platforms offer custodial accounts where a parent or legal guardian maintains control. Exploring decentralized options might also present different avenues, but always prioritize security and understanding the risks involved.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation, just like understanding crypto, investing in quality pays off. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and durable. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Engaging with crypto smartly means prioritizing education. Before any transactions, learn the basics of blockchain, different cryptocurrencies, and market volatility. If you do decide to participate, begin with very small amounts, perhaps $10 or $20, that you are comfortable losing. Understanding non-custodial wallets, where you control your private keys, is also a valuable learning experience for future financial independence. Parental involvement is often the safest and most practical path for minors. A parent can open an account in their own name and allow the minor to learn and participate under their supervision. This creates a controlled environment for understanding transactions, security, and market movements. Openly discussing the risks and rewards with your parents ensures a responsible approach to this evolving financial landscape.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.